In today's video, we're gonna learn how to watch Netflix with friends. If you're trying to create a watch party with all of your friends to watch Netflix shows together, then make sure you keep watching this video because I'm exactly gonna show you the things that you need to do. In order to create a watch party for your Netflix, you'll need to download this application called Rave. You can easily find this on the Play Store or the App Store. Once you download this, you just need to tap open this application and create your account here. You can use your Facebook account, Google account, or your email address to sign up. Just tap on the plus icon on the bottom right. Now the one thing that you need to know is that all the friends that you're trying to watch Netflix with must also have the same application, which is the Rave application. They also need to register for Rave, and once all of that is complete, you just tap on Netflix and pick any video from Netflix. Once you open up the video, you can just tap on the invites option on the bottom, and if you have other friends on your Rave, you'll see all of them here. You can also invite them through contacts. You can tap on the contacts option and then send them an invitation link. You can also choose to make your watch party private or public. If you tap on this public option, you can choose to make it viewable by nearby people, your friends only, or you can make it invite only. If you want only your friends to be invited, tap on invite only, and there you go. That's how you can watch Netflix with your friends. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.